Hello and welcome. Today we are going to take you through a three-part series for Merchant Capture. Each video will provide you with the step-by-step instructions that will help you to set up, scan, and export your deposit file. Let's get started with our first video. Today in our first video, we're going to show you how to make a deposit. Please navigate to your online banking and log in. Once you have logged in, you will see it brings you to your account homepage. Here, you will want to click on the Merchant Capture tab. This can be found in the blue bar at the top of your screen. Click on Merchant Capture. Once you've clicked on Merchant Capture, it will bring you to the Merchant Capture landing page. Once you have arrived at the Merchant Capture landing page, you will click on the Click Here to make your deposit. This will bring you to your deposit dashboard. On the left-hand side menu, you will click on the word Capture, and then you will click on Deposits. This will then bring you to your Create Deposit tab. Here, there are some pre-required fields that you will need to fill out. Any field with a red asterisk means that it is a required field for your deposit. You will need to fill out information into each one of these fields. Working clockwise, starting with location, this represents the business that you are depositing to. You could have multiple entities set up, and you would choose from the drop-down menu which entity you wish to have that deposit go to. For us right now, we're just going to choose the one for our test. The amount field represents the total dollar amount of the deposit. If you had multiple checks, you would need to add the total dollar amount up and place that dollar amount in this field. In our case, we have 3 checks that are $3 each, so our total will be $9. The processing date field defaults to the current date. You can choose a later date for your deposit by clicking on the calendar and choosing the date of when you would like that deposit to be processed. Finally, the account field. This will be the destination of where the deposit will be placed. You may have multiple options for different accounts to place your deposits into. For us, we're just going to use our default account. Once these fields have been completed, you will then click on Create Deposit. This concludes our first video for Merchant Capture and creating a deposit. Join us for our second video, where we will go over the steps of scanning a check and marrying that deposit with the deposit slip that we just created. Thank you for taking the time and joining us. Have a great day.